Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Pulumi alerts for deployment errors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to your project dashboard, where your existing projects are listed. Select the project for which you want to enable alerts. Once in the project dashboard, look for the settings option in the side menu. Click on settings to open the project settings page. Scroll down to the alerts section within the settings. Here, you will find options to configure your alert preferences. A new window will pop up, presenting different alert types. Choose deployment errors from the list of available alert types. Next, you will need to specify how you want to receive alerts. You can opt for email notifications by entering your email address in the designated field. Alternatively, you may choose to integrate with third-party services like Slack or Discord. If you select a third-party service, follow the prompts to authorize the integration. Once you have filled in the required information, review your choices. After confirming that all settings are correct, click the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your alert setup is complete. Now, you will be notified whenever there's a deployment error related to your project. Regularly check your settings to ensure they remain configured to your preferences. This will help you stay informed and promptly address any issues that arise during deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.